How to fix Spotify crashing Android on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open Spotify, not Spotify, the settings of your phone. Then you will go directly to apps or applications, and you have to go now directly to Spotify. And when you found Spotify, just open it like this. And when you open it, just go to storage, and on storage go directly to the last button, clear data, then click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is going to Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.